Positive space for a healthy and positive life. 7 tips for communicating effectively with an elderly parent. You're not alone. Millions of families are struggling to communicate with their elderly parents. In this video, we are going to share some tips that have worked for us and our families. We will talk about something that's been on a lot of our minds lately: communication with our elderly parents. It can be tough, but it's not impossible. We are going to share with you 7 proven tips. Hopefully they can help you out. So let's start. Number 1. Talk to your elderly parent regularly, even if they don't seem interested. It can be difficult to communicate with elderly parents, especially if they don't seem interested in what you have to say. However, it's important to keep trying. Regular communication can help to keep them connected to the outside world and prevent them from feeling isolated. Even if they don't respond directly, simply sharing your news and daily activities can help them feel more involved in your life. If possible, try to schedule regular phone calls or visits. This will give you both something to look forward to and provide an opportunity for meaningful conversation. In addition, make sure to let them know that you're always available to talk if they need anything. By keeping the lines of communication open, you can help your elderly parents stay comfortable and engaged in their later years. Number 2. Establish a routine and stick to it as much as possible. Good communication is essential to any relationship, whether it be between family members, friends, or romantic partners. When communication breaks down, misunderstandings and conflict can quickly escalate. One way to help prevent this is to establish a communication routine and stick to it as much as possible. This might mean setting aside time each day to talk, or agreeing to touch base at certain times throughout the week. The important thing is to have a regular time for open and honest communication. This will give each person a chance to share their thoughts and feelings, and to resolve any issues before they become too big. By making communication a priority, you can help to build a strong foundation for your relationships. Number 3. Avoid yelling or using harsh language, even if they're frustrating you. It can be frustrating when your elderly parents don't seem to understand what you're saying, or when they refuse to listen to reason. It's important to remember, however, that yelling or using harsh language will only make the situation worse. Instead, try to talk with your parents in a calm and respectful way. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything they say, but simply being polite and maintaining a positive tone can go a long way towards diffusing tensions. If you can keep your cool, even when your parents are being frustrating, it'll be easier for everyone to communicate and find a resolution. One of the most difficult challenges we face as we age is watching our parents grow older. They may become more forgetful, moody, or childlike, and it can be frustrating to deal with these changes. It's important to remember, however, that our parents are still the same people they always were, just with some additional needs. Try to talk with them calmly and politely. This will help them feel respected and appreciated, and it will also set a positive tone for future interactions. Number 4. Let them know that you're always available to talk, no matter what time of day it is. Parents need to know that you're always available to talk, no matter what time of day it is. They should feel comfortable coming to you with any concerns they have about their needs. You should be able to talk with parents about anything, including sensitive topics such as mental health or substance abuse. If you're not available to talk, they may feel like they can't talk to you about important things. Additionally, elderly parents may not have anyone else to talk to about their grandchildren. They may feel isolated and alone, so it's important to let them know that you're always available to talk. By being available to talk, you can build a strong relationship with parents and ensure that their needs are being met. Number 5, respect their independence, but be there for them when they need help. As our parents age, it's important to respect their independence. They may not want our help with every little thing, and that's okay. However, we should always be available to them when they need us. Whether it's a ride to the doctor or just someone to talk to, our parents deserve our time and attention. Even though they may not always ask for it, they'll appreciate knowing that we're there for them. So let's show our parents how much we care by being available whenever they need us. Number 6, be patient and understanding when trying to communicate with your parent. Trying to communicate with your parents can be difficult, especially if they are getting older. They may not be able to hear you as well, or they may not understand what you're saying. It's important to be patient and understanding when talking to them. Try to talk slowly and clearly, and be prepared to repeat your patience. It's also important to try to see things from their perspective. They may be used to a certain way of doing things, and it can be hard for them to change. But if you're patient and understanding, you can help them to understand what you're saying and make sure that they are still a part of your life. Number 7, use simple, clear language when talking to your parent. When talking to your parents, it is important to use simple, clear language. This will help them understand what you are saying and make it easier for them to respond. If your parents are older, they may have difficulty hearing or understanding complex concepts. In addition, using plain language will help to avoid misunderstandings and prevent frustration on both sides. Of course, this does not mean that you should talk down to your parents or treat them like children. Instead, it simply means using words and phrases that they will be familiar with. By taking the time to communicate effectively, you can help ensure that your conversations with your parents are productive and enjoyable. Key takeaways from this video. If you're feeling overwhelmed or don't know where to start, try implementing some of these tips. They'll help make communication with your elderly parent easier and more effective. Remember that it's important to be patient and understanding. This is a new experience for both of you. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to feel more positiveness in your life.